the whole thing of social media, you know, the social media wars, because the fan clubs, जो पहले होती थी fan clubs, वो आज के fan clubs, they go for each other. You know, the SRK fan club, the Saifians as they are called, उनके fan clubs. तो आपने अगर एक sentence लिखा कि मेरे को जवान पठान अच्छी नहीं लगी or something like that, oh my god, they come after you, they troll you, they nasty horrible things. Yeah, I can have an opinion about a film, no, but how dare I use the social media space against that? So it's the fan club, it's the PR agency who might be getting the trolling done and all that. This is all playing on the mind. So earlier I used to talk about films, now I just don't. It's having such a terrible impact on me. That I did do one lately on the Manoj Bajpayee film, but series, but I'm not going to do it because I really don't want it anymore. So I feel even that has impacted a lot on.
Yeah, I mean, nobody likes to be on the receiving end of it, right? And I think, you know, when we were in school, we used to have this debate, I remember, science a boon or a curse. We've come a long way from that.
Essays hoti thi.
Then there was television a boon or a curse. Then there was, you know, cinema also at some point. Now we're at this crossroad where we're talking about social media being a boon or a curse. And I think anything that gives you a certain kind of power has to be accepted with some kind of responsibility, and that lies within us. It's very easy for us to criticize somebody or put them down, but sometimes you have to, I mean, it's all very thought-provoking and holier than thou attitude, but it has to be, because if you have the power to now directly reach somebody that you like and make his day by saying, I really like your work, and if you're going to get so impressed by that saying, Arey, this guy really likes my work, then on both sides you have to be very careful of what you're going to say to this person.
नहीं लगता, हाँ.
है नहीं ना. और आधे लोग तो क्या है कि वो एक पर्दे के पीछे छुपे हुए हैं. जो गाली खा रहा है उसकी शक्ल सबको दिख रही है, लेकिन जो दे रहा है उसको जिस दिन अकाउंट भर के 1 रुपया लगेगा ना गाली देने का, वो बंद कर देगा गाली देना. तारीफ भी कम हो जाएगी.
चड्डा ने कहा था ना, चिंटू जो है वो बैठ के काले कमरे में बैठ के टाइपिंग अगेंस्ट ऐश्वर्या राय.
वही कह रहा हूँ, जिस दिन इस पे पैसे लग जाएंगे ना कि गाली देने का भी 10 रुपया लगता है, तो एक्टर भी बोलेगा हाँ भाई 10 रुपये तो कमाऊँ मैं कम से कम, गाली क्यों खा रहा हूँ सिर्फ. और वैसे ही तारीफ भी कम हो जाएगी और गालियां भी कम हो जाएगी.
वो एल्गोरिदम भी वैसा है ना, that you make money.
ये तो दूसरी चीज़ है ना, ये तो कभी समझ में नहीं आती है एल्गोरिदम क्या चीज़ है. कि मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता है कि इसको कैसे पता मैं ये देख रहा हूँ. मैंने एक बाइक का कुछ देख लिया, सिर्फ बाइकें आ रही है मेरे इस पे.
हाँ,
अब तो ये डर लगता है कि बात क्या कर रहे हो वो दिखने लग जाता है.
करेक्ट.
मैं कहूँ अरे चाइनीज़ खाना खाएं क्या आज, वो गाड़ी में बैठती आ जाएगा चाइनीज़ रेसिपीज रेस्टोरेंट सब.
या
सो एंड
it's annoying.
Now to you're even thinking sometimes somebody is like, oh don't worry, this is not even a person, this is a chatbot.
Yeah.
तो I have suddenly started realizing कि मेरी भी उम्र अब होने लगी है कि मेरे को भी अब ऐसे लग रहा है आजकल के बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.